This video will cover initial acquisition and setup of Zotero on a Mac. To acquire Zotero, go to zotero.org/download. There will be two links provided. Click Download under Zotero 5.0 for Mac. From there, open the Zotero file to install it onto your computer, following the steps provided. Once Zotero is installed, it must be set up for use. To start things off, add a folder or collection to your Zotero library to organize your references. You can name your collection and it will appear on the left navigation bar. Once you click on the collection, you can see the filters available for organizing your Zotero library. To manage your filters, click on the drop-down menu tucked away at the rightmost edge of the filters bar. Some recommended additional filters are Publication, which will provide the journal title, Archive, which will provide the database that the reference came from, and Library Catalog to see the vendor of the database. If you want to get set up with Zotero's cloud storage, you can do so as well. Go to Edit, Preferences, and Sync. Select Create an Account. It will take you to the Zotero registration page in your web browser. Fill out the necessary information. It is recommended the Zotero account be created with a non-PACE email to maintain access to Zotero after leaving PACE. Once the account is created, go back to Zotero's preferences and enter your username and password. You can then select your preferences for cloud storage type. For any questions, visit asklibrary.pace.edu.